Your Toyota combines outstanding quality, reliability and durability with performance and on-road comfort. It has been built for years of safe and reliable driving. Toyota genuine parts are guaranteed to provide the same quality as your car's original parts to maintain its best performance. Be careful when your parts are being replaced, especially if they are critical to the protection of your engine, such as the oil filter. It removes dirt particles produced by fuel combustion, keeping your engine oil clean. At first glance, genuine parts and counterfeit parts are almost indistinguishable, even including the packaging. But can the counterfeit match the original qualities? A test engineer using a scanning electron microscope can examine the structure of the filter material in extraordinary detail. A Toyota genuine oil filter captures dirt particles smaller than 1/100th of a millimeter. Counterfeit filters are less dense. They let more and larger particles through, decreasing performance and accelerating engine wear. Let's compare the performance of the genuine and counterfeit oil filters. First, black powder is added to new oil. Then, it's pumped through genuine and counterfeit filters. The genuine filter on the left is cleaning the oil, making it clear. On the right, the counterfeit filter has no effect on the oil color. Before the test, both oil samples were black. 15 minutes later, the oil on the left has become very clear. And on the right, with the counterfeit filter, it's still black. Imagine using the counterfeit filter in your car. The dirty oil would cause serious engine damage, leading to a breakdown. It would be a costly repair and could lead you into an unsafe situation. There are other differences between genuine and counterfeit oil filters. This gasket prevents oil leaks. The low-quality rubber used on counterfeit parts hardens with heat, risking a leak. Let's now test the filter's durability with strong engine vibrations. The counterfeit filter on the right began leaking oil in the middle of the test. In your car, a leak like this could cause a fire. The genuine part on the left didn't leak at all. Toyota ensures only the high-quality filters are allowed to reach our customers. Don't take any chances with your car's engine and your safety. Use Toyota genuine parts from your Toyota authorized dealer.